Hello, pinners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common question: how to deactivate your Pinterest account. If you want to take a break or explore a different online environment, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app or go to the website and sign into your account. We will soon be taking a temporary hiatus from the pinning world. Go to your profile in the lower right corner of the screen and click on it. On the new page, click on the hexagon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu and then click on Settings. Now, under Settings, find and click on Account Settings. We're getting close to deactivation. Here it is, the option you've been looking for. Click on Deactivate Account. The next page will explain the details of account deactivation. When you're done exploring the option, press Continue. And that's the end, folks. You have successfully deactivated your Pinterest account. If you ever decide to come back, your data will be waiting for you. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Until next time. See you in the next video.